Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Moon, Two of Suns in reverse, and Death. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is having a lot of dreams and goals, and you are working towards those dreams and goals today. And maybe certain things may go right and certain things may not go right. Maybe sometimes you may have your intuition telling you what is the right thing to do. So some kind of influence or intuition is also working, and you feel a pull maybe when you're making some choices, when you are proceeding in a particular way. You have your unconscious attraction or urges towards that choice or some kind of path maybe in your life. So all that is due to the impact of this moon lunar energy, guys, you may see in your situation, a Taurus. So some kind of influence is there in your life today. You may have a lot of dreams and goals for yourself, and maybe sometimes for some of you, you are just stopping with those goals and dreams, but you need to make the efforts, guys. If you want to succeed, you should go for concrete efforts in your situation. So then you will be able to succeed in your life towards your dreams or goals, whatever it is, you will be moving towards that. And in your situation today, guys, maybe there are certain things unfolding in an unexpected way for you. You are happy that things are going in a positive way. Maybe in your work you are seeing some new projects or some new beginnings today, and you are happy for it, happy the way things are going today. And also there are huge changes. You are changing, or these dreams and goals are changing, or the way you work, or the way you proceed in your life, your outlook on life or your perspective is changing, and you are seeing things from a different angle, from a different perspective. So it may be true even with your relationship, guys. So you are seeing this person in a different light today. Maybe the way things are, maybe your situation is changing. You are seeing a lot of changes in your work, a lot of changes in this relationship, and the way you talk or way you behave with this person is changing a lot. Maybe you want a clarity, or you want a clear behavior. Maybe you want to stand for what you believe in, maybe, and you are more authentic. You are trying to be more honest, truthful to what you feel towards this person, and you want to show your true emotions to this person. So maybe you are changing, your old ways are changing. Maybe you would have spoken certain things to this person, maybe to attract them or to make them take that interest in you. But today you love this person, but still you are speaking the truth. Maybe when they are doing some things which you do not like, you are being really honest, telling them that you do not like. So your whole ways of behavior or the way you handle your situation is changing for something new, and it may look like a difficult change for this person, but Also, change is necessary for some freshness in your life, guys, and that is what is happening today. And you are changing, or this person is changing, and the way things are in you or between you both are changing, guys. So some kind of a positive transformation or huge changes or a change in perspective is what I see with these cards, guys, Taurus. And that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and 2 crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive. You are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict, or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and you with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. for those who chose the second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, so we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today, the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down. They keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still, when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.